going to teach you about what lives in coral reefs today. So I want each of you to tell me one thing that you guys think live in a coral reef.
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Nemo.
Nemo? Okay,
Sharks.
sharks.
Starfish.
Okay. And what do you want to know about the coral reef?
Are they pointy? Do they hurt if you step on them? Do you step on coral reefs?
Are coral reefs, or coral's hard to grow, isn't it?
What do you want to know?
Is coral hard to replace? Is coral hard? Or maybe how do all the fish interact with each other? Like, do the sharks just go in and eat the fish?
Unless there's any
One question? One more?
Isn't it disappearing, the coral reef?
The questions relate.
It doesn't hurt to step on. I think that's always a really good question.
All of them! You're destroying the reef. He's asking if it's being destroyed. I'm asking
Okay.
how you think. Sorry.
So I'm going to read you What Lives in the Coral Reef book, and it's by Una Gardner Janetti. Can everyone see? Sorry. Okay. What lives in the coral reefs? Coral reefs are found in warm, shallow ocean waters. They cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but are home to 25% of all ocean animals. Where are the coral reefs? Coral reefs are located in tropical oceans. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef. Coral reefs help protect coastliners from ocean storms. What do coral reefs look like? A coral reef is made of coral pulparists. Coral pulparists are tiny animals that form a colony attached to a large skeleton. When they die, the skeleton remains. This is the inner coral reef, the reef crust, and the outer reef, and the limestone. Dead coral reefs form on the limestone based on the reef. New coral grows on the limestone. And this is the parts. So these are the tentacles, this is the mouth, and this is the limestone skeleton part. So, Christmas tree worms. Christmas tree worms live in tubes that are attached to corals. They use their feathery tentacles for eating and breathing. They feed on tiny organisms that float by the water. Here's one of the ones we talked about.
Clownfish.
Clownfish. And this is located in the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Red Sea. Clownfish live among the sea anemones. The tentacles of the sea anemones hide and protect the clownfish. Clownfish eat food scraps dropped by the sea anemones. And the pufferfish in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean. The pufferfish get bigger when they feel threatened. They gulp water to make themselves twice their normal size. Pufferfish have spikes all over their bodies. Moral eels. These are in the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Moral eels hide in the holes in the coral reef. They wait for the prey to swim by, and then they swallow the prey whole. Moral eels use their sense of smell to detect prey. Blue-spotted stingrays, and that's in the Pacific and Red Sea. The blue-spotted stingray is green with bright blue spots. It spots warm predators this is dangerous. It has a long tail with 2 poisonous stingers on the end. Green sea turtle. This is in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. Green sea turtles are named for the greenish color of their fat. They grow up to 5 feet long. They can weigh 300 to 400 pounds. Green sea turtles eat sea grasses and algae. And this is also Crush and the dude guy off of Nemo. I can't say this word ever. Manatee is in the Atlantic Ocean. Manatees are nicknamed sea cows. They are slow but graceful swimmers. They grow 8 to 13 feet long and weigh up to 3,650 pounds. Manatees eat water plants.
They're so cute. I just want to tell them.
Here's another one you guys said.
There's your shark, Edson.
Gray reef shark. And this is in the Pacific, Indian, and Red Sea. Gray reef sharks swim along the outer edge of the coral reef. They form schools and hunt for fish. Together they feed on fish, squid, crabs, and lobsters. Have you guys ever been to a coral reef? Where have you been to one, Shauna?
Mexico.
Fun.
Hawaii.
Here are some other animals in there. Angelfish, brain coral, crab, great clam, grouper, leatherback sea turtles, lobster, nurse shark, oysters, parrotfish, sea anemone, seahorse, sea urchin, sponge starfish, tiger shark, and whale shark. So there's your starfish, Shauna. Okay, so we talked about all the different ones that we knew in there. We didn't really get any answers for these, but can we get any conclusions from it, do you think?
I bet it hurts to suck on.
Do they look when I snorkel?
Like when they like die?
What?
Like when they die, it
They're probably like
hurts.
hard and stuff.
I don't think they're hard to replace. I think they can just grow again. Yeah.
I don't even feel like they like really disappear really.
I don't think they disappear either.
No,
If
but
they,
it's dying, aren't they?
if they
Because of,
die.
I think they take a
oil spills and
while
stuff,
to
I
grow.
I
think.
think it would take a while to grow too.
Yeah.
if they die, then they usually start growing back up. Okay.
It takes a while.
So my last activity that I want you guys to do is I have a worksheet, and I want you guys to find on this worksheet, and there's a back to it too. So some of these on the front can be on the back too. I want you guys to find one anemone fish, which is a Nemo fish.
Where's the-
Finding Nemo.
And when you find it, circle it. Okay, did everyone find that one?
Yes.
Okay. Can you guys find a feather stars?
Yep.
Did everyone find it?
Mm-hmm.
What about the brain corals? That one's not hard. They're very out in the
I just told
open.
me I was wrong. I was like, what?
Have you guys found the groupers fish? What about the porcupine fish, which is also known as the blowfish?
So is that the same as a pufferfish?
Yes. They just named it a different word.
That's weird because
I believe so. Don't quote me.
I'm mistaken.
Can you find the dartfish? He's pretty small.
So in front or the back? Oh, wow, they were little.
They're probably 8 pounds.
What about the sea slug? He's tiny too.
Yes. I think. Are those sea slugs?
The ones on that thing?
Yeah. I think so.
I think it's these guys right
I
here.
think so.
This is like leeches. Ew.
Okay, what about the angelfish?
Yep.
And the giant clams.
Those are big old clams.
Mm-hmm.
And lastly, the triggerfish.